When the phone for your hand, I just something. Oh, walk, follow them. You protect they come inside the hall. Since the guy don't carry security, you deal with them. Let me hand over my security to give the guy. You understand? My security going follow them. Enter, you can't usher more enter stage. More they call they sing. All of us stand up, go show and love. Normally, you understand? As soon as I finish, now when the money use me, they sing. Now I made the guy tell no, so that maybe you mean one. The guy be not say na maybe you mean one. When the money use me, they sing, they shout, as he call use me, because they spray more again. Every other person call shift after they spray more again. Then the organizer MC Jerry because okay, make I hold on, make I snap with the money for stage. Me I know your command like that. Now I take come back, or snap with the money for stage. As I go sit down at this bar, now the guy to come approach me. Me sit down, Sampele did my front. Sampele come say, after we glass, we not look for disposable cup. Now come to bring disposable cup for that table with plenty so that me I take give Sampele, me I take drink. Me come talk with my glass, my disposable cup. 90 months come, say how far bro, how far? Now you be wearing one. I say yes. I did be now. I will go. You know me now. I know there's no person, so you don't know me. And I've never call you before, bro. Okay, everywhere good. And when you call you know Pastor Clifford. I say Pastor Clifford, who be Pastor Clifford? Say Pastor Clifford, we there for Ireland. And my father. I say, Pastor Clifford for Ireland. That's what we call the saga that time now. I see the talk, in the paro, in the verse. You understand? I just look up. I look up because me sit down stand. And they look up. I lock up. I carry my drink. I they sip my drink. I want you. You understand? The next thing he carry for come out, they snap me. Now I fight this stuff, not the block. I don't got the punch. I use the flow to stone. I'm fire. See the video, me I play for you. I go cut that. I'm gonna live video now. The life now, the part where the fight for happen now go cut come out. Where the fight for start. Okay. Yeah, of course, we are remove the background. Not for see the video. We are remove the background. We not for see the video. What is up? Where the mumu guy for go lose guard. You want to follow me fight? You don't know see me not to be okay like that.
The boy na animal.
See, I need to talk so. You need to talk to me so.
Make carry dress or dread.
Yes.
You come down and say wake up.
He can't dread, no wake up.
Ah, okay.
You know, send me day life. You know what? Join the life. You could put off my ear. After that, me now. Remember why?
Is they had before? Thank you. The guy the Chris.
Me the drink now. You tell me now. Say what I mean? No Pastor Clifford.
You got your fool yourself. You got your fool yourself for inside where public.
After the drink now, in the snap you. See, I mean the observe. In the snap you. I don't put the phone for your hand. I just something. Boom, I don't push out. Boom. And I rush out.
Voila. You got the street trouble call wake up.
You understand?
I really like the way you do it. It's so bright. That's why that shade is very good. That shade always see everything.
If na gama say, go do that, but na mugu.
Yeah, don't get it.
No wise.
I talk one thing. Why be saying that some people they go to fight presenter for everywhere? I don't understand why.
I don't know.
The other one will go slap her bat. Now still son. This one wants to go fuck our guy up now. Now still son.
I don't know whether they do whether na settle the reason they do. I don't know.
And the problem is that my dad did not even send them. You know, they send the tribalism, like, it's very plain with everything.
Oh,
so,
yeah, no problem.
I would say no person they talk to me.
Tribalism.
Yes, now.
Now that we are about what they call it, that's why they do life now with this to God.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Why? I know you now.
You know, they discriminate. He has never talked, any of the talk show, he has never discriminate. So,
Yeah, I know they support those kind of nonsense. So I know they
You say
support
this
those
guy
kind of
not
nonsense.
people.
now. If this guy not keep posting and sees social media for that catch fire. All of
No,
them.
Hey, now they talk
If
now.
for them
How
they
would you be like
trend.
Albert? So
If for them they trend,
Therefore, that's not sick music. Therefore, that release music for the matter.
Yes, now.
no, from Victor, he don't always have the follow right from social media, not be today. So
no,
now very correct guy.
as the way
Now person will be say I like. Now person will be say I like well. She is.
And no girl no go like him because when he started, before I even approach him as a godfather, he's kind of a person that even go reach my kids, right? Children as that. If I say,
I wish I did that place. That boy, the come out tell weird and slap. For center of 2 I go.
Exactly.
Eh?
Exactly.
All those kind of people. All those kind of
Which
people.
made me happy.
You know they use the saga. They do personal matter. Now me tell you like
That's it.
You know,
Exactly.
person
What
they
do
do
you
saga.
talk
You
about?
want on the. You want on the.
Now be wetin I be want to.
Move where people.
They discriminate.
Huh?
He just they playing. And if you do wrong, he tell you.
Maybe people see
If
they
you
get
still
sense.
call and no go, I don't understand why
Maybe
people
they
will
get
carry
sense,
this kind millennial time. Now you will take the carry fight, they go Percy party, you want
So
to go
where
follow
people
presenter.
make sure even just stage you.
That guy na very useless guy, no get sense.
Make sure even do
Even-
it. Everybody enjoy.
I must
Even
do
pay me
you.
say the boy face
you
no
really
show when he
well,
come they talk to you for face for your ear. He pay me that he say his face no show. For show well.
Hello, Baba. I greet everybody. I beg a minute. I beg me. I go your talk with it in my mind. I beg you.
Go ahead.
I greet you. See, bro, you do that way you do so you be man. See, those people they say the highest foolishness for this life. Say you there abroad, you can't carry person enemy. Say you want go fight person. If you know if you say you be guy man like that, you not be guy man.
Yeah.
Say because of say person talk to person and person dey quarrel as men might be now. Even though say he and my senior brother get misunderstanding. My own senior brother the same papa the same mama. I know if he or say men for room, me I start to the follow and fight.
Of course.
You understand me so because before person drop blockers, now something happen. Before person not be to slap person, na be the first thing for fight. Now something dey lead to something. You need to confirm. You don't say na your brother or even na your mama or your papa self. That is why Nigeria be like that. They know they like truth. First he talk something, bro. How this thing? Okay, you go ask question well. You understand me so? Those things wey they do for Europe so if you fight for Europe you carry person matter because of person talk to your brother or any person he come send you say make he come misbehave you misbehave bro the person not be guy man the person na be the highest move for life. You know why I make that statement? When you follow river enter here nobody send you. Those people never even call you the time wey they suffer for Naija. They never even call you give you one naira. You come follow that ground enter here and you say person matter na you wan carry and not forget say here if police gbab you nobody wan come greet you for where you dey. Person wey wan go do 8 hours na you come say make come meet you for where you dey. And no forget here they no dey bias. They talk am the way e be. That one no be guy man o. That one no be guy man at all.
No
Person
vex,
you come go start person
no
or you
vex.
come go dey follow person dey fight.
I am the not my brother.
That person no be guy man.
Wetin I wan tell the guy the guy wey come talk say na him godfather IMD. You know say a lot of people they do godfatherism and at the end of the day they no even know whether the godfather go fit stand for them in times of trouble.
Bro,
That's my problem.
mommy me I tell you.
Ask.
Mommy, how we say police arrest that boy say Ogbalegbe that boy wallahi that man go off before he don't go answer am.
Yes, and you go surprise say that man na the island which the boy na that Italy there finish. He never even get wetin go fit reach
You
island.
go surprise say he don't even get paper.
He never
This one wey
even
dey talk he
get
don't even get paper.
You know, we could finish island.
Waiting me outside for this issue. You better say that that man went the island. So let me say, you better say get boys for it. I will say the same control. We should go, Mr. Suari.
The man I hear, man.
So now
the man get assisted stupid because at the end of the day,
he gets for small boys around. Don't see the same message.
Let me say those small boys, like my brother told just IMT, he want that. Those small boys, they don't sign their dead warrant.
They no get no be violate. That is wetin that boy do yesterday. It is say he wise. Now the person wey go fight person for abroad say because of say.
But now wetin they give Italy bad name.
Wait, I want to something. If I say that boy, not be only that boy did this. If I say some boys if for long come. Like 3 or 4.
They want attack me. They're there outside.
Bro, you know the crowd. That's what I said that. I think that area na matter.
Come. They want attack me.
Bro. I know. Me I tell una wetin happen yesterday. Me I tell una wetin happen. That boy.
I want to talk one by one. Me I still talk my own. Mona calm down. Mona wait. Mona calm down.
Okay.
Kudos for you.
Okay.
Kudos for you. Respect for you. That video where I see no. You be real man. That guy, if you want to use it shine.
You want to use it to shine, yeah.
Are you now? You come smart like a man where you be.
Yeah.
I'll see. If you yak back there, if you don't have to move video no man, you might get the baby. We're not going to stop you, man. That guy, the way he take most time, man, the way he reacts, very very important.
If you be like say if you be like say my brother, you hide force me, I hide beat you. Now what you don't happen?
That's no attack that guy. That's no fair attack that guy. That guy for your if they can't do rubbish for that place.
Now massive beating, no be joke.
If you be like a Bonabo and DJ Choose.
I will tell you. I will tell you. I did not drop for one of my debate about when I saw medic better line. When I walk, I will have that line. Why the better line?
I said, well, when you are boy, just about the talent. Yeah, guys.
What's your reaction? That is the when you play smart
the thing shock everybody. It knock everybody down. Like
no, see wetin be one play there. Wetin be one play there say as he dey tell you, he dey talk to you, he go dey provoke. As he dey provoke, you no retaliate. Maybe you go dey shake you, he go first give you slap. As he give you slap, the rest go come join am. Na wetin be one play yesterday.
No, that video, that you know say I remember say he can't fit the camera, come himself. So if you want to do that camera, say oppress you, will say, but go be that now you go be that. If you want slap you.
I see the near that be one slap.
Yes. I will say that first slap, the rest will come. The
he don't know say my daddy na 07 James Bond.
Person dey tell una truth for social media. Person dey tell una truth. Una go take am personal. That boy na the biggest fool.
Before I go the show,
www.com.
I can't go to the court beg. I say I beg everybody. I don't know how come beat me today. I beg one not beat me. I just got beg one not beat me. Gonna transfer the beating to tomorrow. Honestly, when you gonna see me, gonna beat me for today because of Egogo and Omore. I beg one not beat me. I just got beg una. Anybody, if I do you something, forgive me. No beat me today.
Okay, you don't do video like that before you go.
Yes, now me I play now. I don't play assist now. Now that's yesterday I do one.
Okay.
After the video, now I go to the show.
So okay, I understand.
Because we don't need to get this. We don't need to say something. After the video, now we go to the show.
No, the guy don't do well. Now party person see the fair nowadays. We be sure you want go maybe person where and you say your godfather.
Not be your personal case.
You want fight for your godfather.
For person, imagine.
Any place this life and the rest. Everybody go there, buy your ticket, enter house. The way it's will come. Full shutdown. This time. So I bet if you dey Roma, you get glitch for Egogo or more again. Package on. Anything you get, deliver for them. I beg. This time. I used to go a beg now. Not just for them below. If now those children when they sing, they dance together, you want to give those children. Give them. Mugi wear. Just because they give your children. Now shoe, now clothes, now polo. Give them. Yes, sir. Alright.
Baba, where this man?
That's
you understand? I say your peace all everywhere. Everybody allow more again our own, our boy, our brother, our son. It is our flesh and blood. Let's show them massive love. from Roma. You don't get me question. So if you don't say you there for, see, listen now. Castellina, all of them are shut down. You there Colifero, they hear my voice from Colifero. Guys, come down to enter Colifero bus now, boss. They come. That bus where they go, and Anina. The bus where they go, and Anina. Stop for, if not, anyway, for stop for Castellina side. Straight down, take the red bus 505 055 take on straight, stop for Destiny Bar. Any black person say they go to Destiny Bar, they go show you the place. Straight down, you understand? Any black way you see, me I know the club, I don't know the address, but I don't know Bogiziano. My mom say Bogiziano, not the bar, not the club, so I know where it is. So but I know it's Bogiziano. Once now the former Destiny Bar, world know. Nobody will know Destiny Bar. That's the what they call Sandra. Nobody don't go the bar, go to perform. Many people don't go they go perform. It's fun. So now they there that bar so. Now that club, now this guy they go. I'm already there. I'm going to go perform. We know see the place go full, go reach outside. Go. I know. I beg. I want you to go beg. No, I beg. See, I beg. Roma people, I used to go beg. No, I beg. I just got a beg now. Make we not cause hold up for that road. I beg. Which will be very important. Very important. I know say because I know how they be. Anytime we should do that place, I beg. Roma people, I know say many of them love Egogo Norla. Don't love more again. Massively, I understand. I beg. I use God beg now. See while no be we can't go back, we can't go club, we can't shots, we not come for road. No, come cause hold up. You know they make sense. I beg. Who they behave mature. Let's leave the road. Take the other side. Even though you want to enter hall, you buy tickets. I beg. More than this, try to coordinate now as a mature human being will be now. But none of that place they be. If show day like that, the crowd I beg. Well, who could they coordinate now? Say normally as a guy, man, make peace for day. So respect to every one of you guys. Next time, they try. I'm not going to go about. You go have a like where the tickets are lower. So I'm going to do the respect. I beg. I know say today now war because you don't cast for Roma. I'm going to life now. Bushy means. Ricey, Congo. Congo live and direct in Roma City. Bogoziano people, everybody turn up. Castellina turn up. Ananina turn up. Palestina turn up. Zagarello turn up. Cave turn up. Zezano turn up. San Vito turn up. Everybody in Roma City, everybody want to turn up, to change. So that they'll go meet them, we'll do one or two things, freshen up. You get my question so that we can bounce back to the hall. Straight down. So they start shut down. So if you know say you did Roma, Bogiziano City, Bogiziano, go to Bogiziano, the former Destiny Bar, now dead.